Hi guys, Shazad here. So this is a quick video about the POWERLDD adapter. So as you know, most of the budget power banks, which are usually from 30 to 50 pounds and saying between 20,000 milliamps to 27, 28, or almost to 30,000 milliamps, they're usually around they provide around 60 to 65 watts. So while this one, it's close to 50 to 60 pounds, and it comes, well, it states like it has a battery of 27,000 milliamps at and the wattage it provides is 140 watts. So it comes with three ports. Two are USB-C, which you can use for like charging, and the state is like 140, while there's a USB-A one which I think goes to 15 or 25 if I'm not mistaken. So the main difference is like you can charge your multiple devices at the same time. So like right now I have like a plugged in a laptop which sports 65 wattage. This one Rogue Ally as well, 65 wattage, and this one is it's like a tablet Ultra, which is at charging at 15 wattage, 15 watts. So yeah, so with this one the thing is like you can charge multiple devices. What I've seen with a lot of other ones, you're not able to charge them at the full speed, or other thing is they usually trip between. So when you're charging 2 to 3 devices, they will say okay, one will disconnect randomly and keep like come back. That's not the case. And the good thing about this one is it shows you your battery capacity as well. Then it also shows you the outage at that time as well. Then there is a power button. If you press that, it can also show you the total wattage capacity, the temperature, and the battery cycles, and that is it. So you can also change the time, like do you want the LED screen to stay always on, or do you want to be like stay on for like 30 seconds and turn off. So it depends. Like if you want to see for the start, sure, why not. If you want to like say a bit more battery, put it for 30 seconds, afterwards it will switch off. Yeah, so I've tested it does go to like 65. It does provide, I've tested that. It's just like now, as you can see, there's there's nothing almost going on, so that's why it's still taking almost close to 20 to 30 watts. And you can see it's on charge, and like here is, you can see it's also being charged. Yeah, that is it. So this is not a sponsored video. I've just got it for myself and I've been testing it, and it's quite decent. The other thing I like about this one is because you can charge it quite quickly. If you have like a 65 wattage charge or like above, so you should be able to charge it quite quicker. And that is it for this time. If you have any questions, do let me know. Yeah, that's it. Take care guys, have a good day. Bye bye.